Sorry, I can't come to the phone right now. I'm a little bit busy with girl therapy, but I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Maybe.
Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, we have a maintenance self-care vlog today. My name is Temi and I am a beauty, lifestyle and all things fabulous content creator based in London. If you enjoy this vlog, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you love the vibes, then definitely subscribe. And without further ado, let's get on with today's video. So babes, we're starting off this vlog with unboxing this amazing skincare tool that I received from L&L Skin, which of course I'll be later using in this video. But first things first, can we just get into the packaging? I love how packaged this is. Like, it is safely packed and everything, and I am in love. The package comes with the Mami hot and cold device, which obviously is the main product, a charging base, which I find so cute, a USB cable, a flannel bag, clean cloth and head strap. This is giving me bougie rich housewife vibes. This beauty device has 3 functions: the normal mode, which is set to increase the speed of facial blood circulation and accelerate the absorption of skincare essence. Then there's a cool mode with a blue light, which is set to eliminate acne, causing bacteria and reduce acne. The cool mode for me is also good at depuffing in the morning. You know, when you wake up in the morning and you have a swollen eye bag, yeah, this is really good at depuffing. The last mode, which is hot mode, shows a red light and is set to combat wrinkles and increase collagen production for smoother, younger looking skin. This is my favorite mode as it helps to penetrate my skincare product and helps better with blood flow. Honestly, I love this product and you guys will see how I use it later in the video. Thank you so much to L&L Skin for sending me this product. I'm going to leave all the dates in the description box below, so make sure to check for discount code, the link and all the good stuff. Babes, this is the second time this year I'm deep conditioning my hair and I am grateful. I am happy because I have not done that in over 2 years and I have no excuse, but life happens and that's perfectly fine. You don't need to judge yourself too hard. I didn't give my hair the care that it needed in over 2 years, but I'm doing that now and that's all that matters. So yeah, I am deep conditioning my hair and I use the products that my hair loves, which is avocado, mayonnaise, eggs, oil and honey. So yeah, that's what I use. I was gonna use the Cardi B mix, but I didn't have bananas and I don't think my hair loves bananas. So yeah, once I was done mixing, I blended everything together to make sure it's perfectly smooth. You don't want no crumbs falling off your hair. To make the whole process enjoyable for me, I decided to watch some videos. This really made me more relaxed rather than thinking it's a chore. It made it more enjoyable for me. And one thing I love about deep conditioning my hair is how my curls pop. My curls pop a lot at the back, most especially. So I love the whole processing when I'm done, but when I have to do the hard work, that's what I don't love, and that's what a lot of people actually do not like. Guys, look at the curl, look at the curl. Anyways, when I finished, I twisted it and I put a plastic bag, and over the plastic bag is this aluminum cap that I got from Temu for better heat since I don't have a steam cap. And yeah, so now it's time to shave. I don't know if it's just me, but I like using my hands to put the cream on any body parts that I'm shaving. For me, it's a lot better. I'm able to distribute it better. I also don't like using the spatula that comes with it to, you know, scrape the cream off once I'm done. Instead of that, I like to wet a towel and kind of use the towel, as you guys can see in this video. Now, I was going to book a wax appointment, but I had to go to work, and with everything else I had to do, there was just not enough time for me. So babes, it's time to wash my hair. I let the deep condition sit for 3 to 4 hours. I had a lot to do that day. So honestly, it was the perfect day to deep condition my hair. Now, I suffer from dandruff, and that's because I stopped caring for my hair for so long. And in return, dandruff was like, yes, we're coming full time. And yeah, that's, you know, that's the repercussion of not caring for it. So I used this Avon dandruff shampoo. It belongs to my mom, not mine. But I love it because honestly, it works wonders for my hair. And I also use Tresemme shampoo. I love Tresemme products. I've always been using Tresemme ever since I was a teenager. My hair loves it and no complaints whatsoever. And one thing I love about my hair is the fact that even when I'm not treating it right, it still grows long. Like, I cut the tips of my hair every now and then when I remember to, maybe every 6 months, but it still grows, because I think the last time I checked the length, my hair was 14 inches long, and I love that for me.
Make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way, you make me wanna stay in all day, you're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
I love me a braider that comes super early, because tell me why I was still in bed and I heard my house bell ring and I'm like, better not be the braider, because I still want to sleep, okay? But I love that she came super early. And honestly, the last time I got my hair braided was when I was coming to the UK, and I did not want to sit for hours and hours getting my hair done, so I just opted for a big braids, large braids. It's not the largest braids, but you know, still large. There's just something so comfortable about having the braider come to your house, the comfort of your home. To make the atmosphere more interesting, I decided to put a movie. Of course, I gave her extensions because I did not have any problem with that. And yeah, I love the way the hair turned out. We curled a bit the ends of it, and I absolutely love the hair. And did I also mention that I got box braids done because I hate knotless braids? So I just went for box braids instead, which I love. If you want her details, let me know in the comment, or maybe just send me a DM.
If you lie with me, just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good.
Now babes, my face has been asking for proper TLC for the longest time, and I'm not going to lie, when it comes to skincare routine, I am not the absolute best. I'm not going to lie and say that I don't skip my night routine sometimes. I mean, sometimes when I come back from work and I am tired and it's like I cannot be bothered, okay? But in 2024, I've been actively trying to do a lot better when it comes to my skin. So today I thought, you know, I'm going to give myself some TLC, and my skin is doing so well, even when I don't give it the proper TLC that I need to give it, but it's doing so well. Let me know if you want a proper skincare routine and I will come through with one, because I recently changed my skincare product as well, and my skin has been loving the new product that I use now. So yeah, when I was done putting the product on my face, because of course I did derma planning as well, so after putting all my skincare products on my face, I went ahead to use the Mami Hot and Cold massager on my face, and the hot mode is amazing. Like, I felt like I could just sleep whilst doing this. Like, it was amazing, and I love this product so much. Again, I'm going to leave all the dates you need about this product in the description box below, so make sure to get yourself one, because babes, you need this product. You need it, okay?
When I go with confidence, when I go to the road, I keep tempted by sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell, turn down. We keep it going. Like bum, bum, bum. Throw it back, then rotation. Figure it's in the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time.
Now, one thing I promised myself last year was to, spoil myself with flowers every now and then. Did I do that? No, I didn't. I mean, a couple of times I got flowers for myself, but not as much as I promised to do. This year, I have been actively trying again. So I decided to spoil myself with this flower, and it's so beautiful. When it comes to arranging flowers, I am not the best, but I am trying. I'm trying, okay? And it obviously turned out really beautiful as well, even with my bad arrangement. Anyways, it's time to get my nails done, and I have not gotten my nails done in over 5-6 years, which is a bad thing. It's really bad. Like, I need to do more. I mean, gotten my nails done professionally. Of course, I've done my nails myself, but going to the store, getting pampered, doing proper nails, it's gonna last me for 3 weeks, not the one that's gonna pop out after 3 days. But yeah, so I didn't have the time. So I just thought, you know what, let me do my nails myself again, because why not? Anyway, so again, I'm using these nails from Primark, because Primark is always coming through for your girl. So I'm using these nails from Primark. It was just only £1 and stuff, and did the nails. I put Madame Glam's top coat, and it turned out beautiful, and I love it. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this maintenance vlog, and if you want more, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to also leave a thumbs up on this video before you click out. I will see you, my babes, in the next video, because I want to see you in the next video, liking my videos. Till then, stay easy, stay breezy, and stay beautiful. Bye, babes.